Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this electric facial hair remover that is painless, wireless, as well as portable. Alright, so we have this portable facial razor. It is small and exquisite as like a lipstick. It is nice, convenient, you can take with you. So right here it tells you everything that it comes with. You've got the razor, the bottom part, the charging port. It is for small body and lightweight. You can solve your hair trouble in a discreet tiny little razor. It is curved knife net, fast and cleaner, removable and washable. Fits your body design. You can shave better. You don't got to worry about any nicks or cuts. This has a longer battery life, charges 1.5 hours to work for 50 days. So inside this box you get the charger, you get a cleaning brush, so this is a Type-C charger. You get the little cleaning brush to clean the top of the head of the razor. So this has a special design color of a rose gold for women. It is painless, wireless, portable, rechargeable for chin, upper lip, arms, legs. So right here you have the user manual. This basically tells you everything about this razor. That is small and lightweight design. It's more portable, professional, waterproof, and safer. So all the parts that comes with the razor, how to use it, how to maintenance it, how to charge it. So this has a titanium alloy blade, 6D design that fits the human body, does not hurt the epidermis, removes the hair painlessly, and solves your hair problems. Exclusive, exquisite mini body design, light and small, adaptable to sockets, power banks, car, computers, easy to carry. It has a 12,000 RPM high, silent, and powerful motor, effectively removing hair, safe charging battery, life for 50 days, Type-C interface, built 600 milliamp battery, charging for 1.5 hours, gives you 50 days of usage. So you can see that it is sleek, lightweight. It looks almost like a bigger size of a lipstick. It's got a really nice matte finish. You got a nice little top cover. Here's the blade. You don't got to worry about it cutting you, even in the most sensitive areas, underarms, bikini lines. It does not cut or scrape, doesn't get caught on any hair. This is the power button. It lights up once it is turned on. So what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and turn it on and use it so you guys can see how loud it is. So I have a fan in the background, and the fan is a lot louder than this razor. This razor is not so loud. So when you want to clean it, you just turn it sideways. And you can see the little hairs in there. Just use your little brush to clean it out. Just as simple as this, just clean out the hairs. And then you'll do the other part to clean out the hairs. This just cleans it from the razor. And then you got the bottom part, just clean it off in here. And you give it a little blow and it should be nice and clean. And once you're done cleaning it, just twist it back on and it's ready for another use. So 1.5 hours gives you 50 days worth of charging. I've had other razors like this one in the past. They did nick and cut me, and it is not nice to have, especially if you're doing it in the discreet areas, your armpits, especially your bikini lines. This one does not nick or cut. It is super lightweight, like a big lipstick. It is convenient to carry with you anywhere you go. If you're looking for a nice little razor that you can take with you on the go, that is not super loud and that actually cuts really good, I would say definitely check this one out. This one's a great razor.